I'm feeling a bit awkward. I never thought we will be doing this, she said as he grabbed her into his arms. Don't think about it. Let's go with flow. You can trust me. It will be alright. Let's have fun, he said and started kissing around her neck. Sir, I think this is wrong. We should not do this. I like your personality, but this is not what I wanted. She, a 20 years old literature student at AME University in Greater Noida, said, I love you. As soon as I saw you, I fell in love. You are so beautiful, her 42 years old college professor said. Sir, I like you, but I'm feeling very uncomfortable. What we are doing is wrong, she said. He did not stop, and she could not stop him. She lost her virginity that afternoon. She went back home and cried the whole night. Can we meet for lunch? He sent her a message on her WhatsApp number. She got scared. She did not want to meet him again. Sir, I am going out with my friends for lunch. She made an excuse. Where are you guys going? She took a couple of minutes to respond. Sir, we are going to the Reader's Cafe in Indrapuram. Oh wow! I'm also going there for lunch. I love that place. I will see you there, he said. Or we can meet tonight at my place. My wife and kids are not in town for 2 days. He added with a wink emoji. She did not go to him. However, she got scared. Next week, he called her in his cabin. I can see you are avoiding my messages. I even called you yesterday regarding your exams. I want you to clear your papers with good marks. I don't want you to fail in exams. Otherwise, I will have to tell your parents that you don't study these days, he said and winked. Come to my place around 10 p.m. tonight with your notebooks, he said it to her before leaving. It did not stop. One day she called him and said, Sir, I can't do this anymore. You are my teacher and I'm your daughter's age. Her phone beeped. As soon as she saw it, she fell on the floor and started crying. He sent her personal pictures. It was so bad that she fainted. Her roommate took her to a doctor friend who was working in a nearby hospital. Soon the checkups were done. The doctor came to her and said, You are my friend's roommate. Thus I will help you as much as I can. And please don't panic. She looked at him and asked, What happened? He looked at her and said, You are pregnant. As soon as he left the room, she immediately called her professor. Sir, please help me. I am pregnant. She kept crying. You must have slept with someone else. It can't be from me. Don't call me again. Call that guy who did it, he said and disconnected the call. After 1 week, Don't worry, everything will be alright soon. I'm with you. Keep a smile when your father comes today. He is coming to see you from far. I have just told him that you are down with fever, her roommate said. It was 7 o'clock in the evening when her roommate started knocking the door. Open it. Uncle has come. Open the door. When she did not open it for next 15 minutes, they broke down the door. It was heartbreaking. Dear Papa, I love you. I'm sorry I'm leaving you alone. I can't live with this guilt. I'm pregnant. I break your trust. I'm sorry. Please forgive me for giving you a bad name. One wrong decision can kill your entire family.